I tried the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the difference are exactly what might make you want it. To put it simply, this is everything the iPhone 17 Pro is, but bigger screen, bigger battery, and for many people a bigger reason to upgrade. Apple unveiled the iPhone 17 Pro Max during its keynote on September 9 alongside the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and the ultra-thin iPhone Air. While the Pro Max doesn't rewrite the formula, it leans into size and endurance in ways the smaller Pro just can't match. After a brief but revealing hands-on session, here is what stood out. The iPhone 17 Pro Max trades last year's titanium frame for a new milled aluminum body. The result is smoother edges, a lighter feel in the hand, and honestly a fresher look than any Pro model we have had in years. There is also a bold new rectangular ceramic to glass cutout on the back that houses the familiar triple camera system. At 6.9 inches, this is a big phone, yet it is not awkward. I found it surprisingly comfortable to hold, especially thanks to the softened lines. Yes, it is slightly heavier than before, but not in a way that drags it down. For large-handed users, this is the Pro iPhone you have been waiting for. Color options are pared down to 3: silver, deep blue, and cosmic orange. The last one really pops, and it is refreshing to see Apple finally get playful with Pro finishes. The iPhone 17 Pro Max starts at $1,199 for 256GB storage, same as last year. Pre-orders are live now, with full availability starting September 19. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't trying to surprise you, instead it's giving you exactly what Max buyers want: the biggest, longest lasting iPhone experience. From its 6.9-inch OLED display to nearly 40 hours of promised battery life, this is Apple's ultimate Pro phone. If you want the power of the iPhone 17 Pro but need more endurance and a display that demands attention, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the one to get. For me, the early signs point to Apple's best big phone yet.